everyone, welcome to the online classes. Today we are on measuring weight. In our last class we have learned the measuring of the length. So how do we measure? We measure with the hand span, we measure with the, see here, hand span, finger, palm, cubit, pace, foot pan, arm length. But it will be different, like my hands will be different that of yours. So it will be different for everyone. That's why what we will use a scale, a ruler, or the measuring tapes. A ruler for the small things, like centimeter we will use for to measure the small things, and meter is the when it is very long, then we use the measuring tapes for the length which is very long. Okay, for a pencil it is centimeter, but for a wall it will be meters. My sari will be centimeter, meter, but your dress will also be a meter. Yours small things will be centimeters and big are meters. Okay, now in the same way, next we are going to learn with the measuring of the weight. Tick the box next to the animal on the heavier side. So see here, two rabbits are heavier, or one dog is heavier. See, it is going down. This side, rabbit's side, it is going down. So this is heavier. The object which is heavier, that will only go down. Which is light, it will go up. So that you have to remember. So here see, which is going down? Sheep is going down. So sheep is heavier. Monkey and a lion. So lion is heavier, it is going down. Elephant and 3 cats. Elephant is heavier. Okay. Similar to the length, weight can also be measured in two ways. See, by using the objects. The child is sitting in one place, and see, some stones are collected and kept here. By using standard weights and weighing machines. Like we can use some objects, we can put some objects on the other side and we can measure it, or otherwise we have to use the standard weights and weighing machines. Okay, to know the weight of an object, we compare its weight with another object. For example, we can use stones to weigh a child, but the stones may not be of the same every time we weigh. These stones may not be same, every time. Thus, the weight will be different with different stones. To get exact weight every time we weigh a thing, we need fixed measures. Grams and kilograms are the most commonly used measures of the weight. See, grams and kilograms. For measuring of the length, it is centimeters and meters, and measuring of the weight, it is grams and kilograms. See, gram. Gram is a small fixed measure of weight. Gram is small. It is used to weigh light objects like chalk piece, pencil, gold ornaments, etc. Gram is written as G in short. Gram is written as G. Okay. Gram means for small things. And for big things, kilogram. Kilogram is bigger measure of weight. It is used to weigh heavy objects like, see, rice bag, sugar bag, pumpkins, bags of rice, sugar, etc. Kilogram is written as kg. Okay, gram is written as G, kilogram is written as kg. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, or 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Same. Okay. Weighing machines. You see the normal weighing machines. You might have seen all these weighing machines. Just see, vegetable sellers will have these weighing machines. This and this. And we can see these weighing machines in all the grocery shops. And weights. See, 5 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg. 500 grams, 250 grams, 100 grams and 50 grams. Okay, these are the weights, and these are the weighing machines, different weighing machines. These are automated. Here they automatically show the numbers. Here they show the numbers, and here we have to put the weights. These weights we have to keep it here so that we can know the weight of some particular objects. You might have seen the metal weights and a balance which the local vegetable or fruit sellers use to weigh things. The pans balance when the weights in the two pans are the same, when the weights in the two pans are not the same. The heavier pan moves down and the lighter one moves up. This we know that. See, if we are putting the more weight here, it will come down and this will go up. Here how? See, we have seen now. See, whichever is heavier, it will come down and the lighter one will go up. So whenever we are putting the weights and we are putting some things in the another pan, whichever is heavier, it will go up. Okay. We see many types of weighing machines around us. Some of them are given below. See, weighing machine with two pans, weighing machine with one pan, digital weighing machine. Here number will be displayed. How much the objects we are keeping here, up the number will be displayed. Write the grams for the objects that are more than a gram and kg for the objects that are more than a kilogram. See, a knife will be of light weight. We can hold in our hand now to cut the objects. So it is very lightweight. So it will be gram. Can we take rice bag will be very heavy. So it is kilogram. And these apples, this is also one apple means small, but it is box of fruits. So it is kilogram. Okay, next page. Burger, small, gram. This cake, gram. Car, kilogram. Look at the weight of the objects, then put less than or more than in the box. 100 grams, 500 grams. 1 is greater or 5 is greater? 5. 2 kgs, 1 kg. See the objects here. So 2 kgs are more. 50 grams, 5 kgs. Don't see the number, see this kg and grams. Kg is more compared to gram. Gram is small than the kg. So 5 kgs is more. See, many bananas, 1 banana. 100 grams, 1 kg. 1 kg is more. Then addition and subtraction of the weights. See, addition and subtraction of the weights also same thing how we have done the addition and subtractions, normal addition subtraction or the addition of the centimeters and meters. It is also in the same way we have to do. So let us do some problems. 182 page number. 3 kgs 530 grams. 5 kgs 265 grams. 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 0 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 0 plus 5 is 5 only. Write number below number. 3 plus 6. So 6 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7. 3, 5. 5 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in this way you have to do. So rest all you will be doing for the homework. Okay, then choose the correct option. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 700 grams plus 150 grams is equal to dash grams. 7 plus 5. So here let us add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 1 is 8. 850 grams. 4 kgs 260 grams minus 2 kgs 130 grams. Let us do 4 kgs 260 grams. Excuse me. Then less 2 kgs 130 grams. 0 minus 0, 0 only. 6 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. After 1, 2. After 2, 3, 4. How many? 2. 2 kgs 130 grams. Where is it? This one. 2 kgs 130 grams. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with the next topic. Have a good day.